For this second wave COVID-19 hotspot area, the vaccine could not have come sooner. There was excitement and apprehension amongst healthcare workers.
At this stage, I'm excited, but also a bit nervous. You hear there's a lot of stories about the vaccines yet, but I'm excited. I think we need it, and it's a step in the right direction for us to curb and finally win this pandemic. My guys, there was a lot of emotional turmoil going through this year, knowing that every time they come to work, they're going to be exposed. There's a chance they might take it home, their families might get exposed.
The first dose was given to a man who's risked his life every day of this pandemic. He now feels he can better protect those around him.
Normally I'm a person that is afraid to take injection. But I promise my staff members that I will be the first one in line to take this COVID vaccine. The reason for that, I believe that I need to protect my family and also need to be protected. And taking this vaccine, I minimize the chances of getting infected.
The Garden Route received an initial 320 doses for the first week, with another batch arriving next week. Both public and private sector healthcare workers will be vaccinated together.
It's a completely voluntary process, so they had to register on the electronic system, had to give consent to be part of the voluntary process, and then we've scheduled them accordingly. So we decided to schedule a few people per day. Today we started with fewer people so we can do some troubleshooting, as well as we can expect that there are going to be a few issues. But I think people around are very excited.
Healthcare workers from across the region will make their way to the George Hospital over the next 2 weeks. Segri Chetty, SABC News, George in the Western Cape.